What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. It is Mac Wednesday, and the Mac tool I got today, one of the tools, is this exhaust spreader type slash drinker. Shrinking on that side, spreader on this side. It's pretty heavy, probably almost 10 pounds. And then right here, we got this OTC pilot bearing puller attachment, which attaches to any of your slide hammers. Boom, right into there, threaded. It's pretty cool. And then I went and replaced two of my chisels in my big old Mac set there. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. That's an O-ring on there.